Here's the Iowa State Fair forecast for today. This is the weather forecast video for Friday, August the 17th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, the frontal system that brought the rain showers yesterday morning across the state is now moving into the Ohio Valley and into the Mid-South, and the monsoon continues over the southwest and cool Canadian high pressure dropping in. The watch warning map from a bit before midnight last night. A couple severe thunderstorm warnings across middle Tennessee, a few flash flood warnings down there as well. The heat is now in the north and west with some red flag warnings and some flooding issues over the south and west. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock. All the rain is going to be to our south and southeast and along the eastern seaboard. Nothing around here except for the very isolated afternoon shower this weekend. Here's the drought monitor. This was released yesterday morning. There was some slight improvement. The extreme drought across the state is now 62%, down from 69%, so there's some improvement there. So let's take a look with the Zersey GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we still have the northwesterly flow coming out of Canada, with high pressure dropping in, creating some very cool nights across the state, 40s and lower 50s with highs in the 70s with plentiful sunshine, dry air, and all the rain to our east and south. We head into Saturday. The GFS is wanting to bring back moisture. It's very doubtful that there can be some, but if there's going to be some, it'll likely be afternoon instability showers. Same thing goes for Sunday. The chances are probably 10% or less, so we'll say it's going to be mainly dry, but we can't rule out the very isolated instability shower if they occur. Monday looks to be drier, and now temperatures begin to warm up. The heights begin to come up, so temperatures closing in on 80, maybe some low 80s in the western part of the state. Tuesday, same story, maybe a degree or two warmer, upper 70s to lower to middle 80s in the far west as the heat begins to build once again in the plains, but not extreme heat, I should say. Wednesday, we have winds southerly winds, southwesterly winds, temperatures in the upper 70s to middle 80s with the storm system beginning to organize off to our west. It starts to ease toward us here Thursday with a cold front from Minnesota down into the Nebraska Panhandle. Some showers and thunderstorms possible along that. That could ease in Thursday night and into a week from today, next Friday. That disturbance is right along the U.S.-Canadian border, in fact, just a little bit north of there. Another pretty decent trough moving into the Pacific Northwest. We have our one front coming through here with some isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms, and another one coming into the northwest, both which have some cooler air behind it. A couple days later, on the 28th, look at that. The 594 ridge is back, centered about over Clarksville, Tennessee. Storm track near the U.S.-Canadian border. Cold front eases in, could bring some showers and storms, and today's GFS hurricane of the day, just east of Bermuda. We'll see if that pans out. It was there yesterday, we should say. And at the end of the forecast, September 1st, storm track back in Canada again, so we're going back to the pattern of June, July. It seems like heat and storms well up to our north. Although we'll be on the southern side of a high pressure, so we could see some showers and storms around, but if this pattern's right, we could be heading for warmer than normal temperatures into September. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Saturday.